Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi without password. First I'll forget this network. Now it will need the password to connect. Go to more, click on WPS button. Now go to your router and click on the QSS button. Now this QSS symbol will blink and wait for a minute. Now I am connected to my network. Click on OK. I will also show you second way to connect to the network without password. For this you need to go to install Android Power. Click upon, click on try to connect, click on custom pin, and beside the router you will see the pin. Here is my pin. Just enter the pin 48295512. Click on OK. Connection succeed. Click on OK. Now I am connected to my router. Thanks for